Hey friends, a lot of people wish to know how they can enable or disable the function key settings in Windows computers. So I will help you with this if you wish to know about it. See, here's the thing. To enable and disable function key, we have a function lock system in older keyboards, but that is not the case with newer ones. So here's what you can do in this case. Press Fn plus escape key. Okay, Fn key plus escape key. This will toggle the function switch to on or off, and you can verify it by what do we say, entering the function key buttons and checking if they are working or not. Okay, so for example, this button will bring up the audio controls. So if it's not working, it means that the function lock is in place. And now when I am have disabled the function lock or enabled the function key, you can see that it's working. Okay, but if I change it, then it will not work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.